Welcome programmers, I hope you are doing well. As you see on your screen, this is a C++ program that print out this plus sign with star symbols as you see on your screen. Don't worry, in this video I'm going to show you step by step how to write a C++ program to print this plus sign by using star symbols, right? So please, if you are new here, don't miss subscribe, like this video, and make it share to your friends so that they can also access to our amazing lessons. So without spend much more time, let's get started. Guys, this is the program for professionals, programmers. So let us write it together and learn how it works. So it's like usual. First of all, we need to use for loop and if statement, right? As selection control statement. But here, remember, as a syntax of C++ program, we need to write using namespace ctd like this. Yeah, then after this, let us now write first loop for int I which is equal to 1. Then I must be less than or equal to 5, and also I must be increment from 1 to 5. Then also j must be start from 1. J must be less than or equal to 5, and also j must be increment, right? Yeah, now this is what we write firstly these two loops, and then we need to use if selection statement to set the condition so that we can get our plus sign, right? Yeah, now let us use if here for our sign. It satisfies the condition. It says that if I is equal to 3, right? Here we need to use all operator. This one, all. J must be also equal to 3. J must be equal to 3. Then in this case, we'll display star. Out star here, and then space, and then semicolon here, right? And if this loop finished, we need to display end line so that you can start a new line, end line like this. But also here we need to display input when our condition is not satisfied. That's why here we need to write out just space like this. Yeah, like this. So this is our C++ program to print this plus sign pattern by using star symbol, right? Let us save it and now run it. Let us call it, we can call it plus.cpp like this. Then save it. We can now make compilation to check whether there is some errors or not. You see there is no error. Let us learn to check an output. Yeah, you see, this is our output. This is a plus sign, but somehow not looking good, not balanced. Let us check for somewhere to change so that will be displayed correctly. Yeah guys, here we need to pay attention about condition. For example, here we write that if I is equal to 3 and j is equal to 3, in that case we display star and empty or 2 spaces when this condition is not satisfied. But here remember that when we count j, you start from column 1. These spaces represent 2 spaces. To mean this is the column 1. Here there's column 2. Then column 3, right? This one. Here we just skip the space that represent column. That's why this will be column 1, column 2, column 3, column 4, and then column 5. So that this plus sign can be represented accurately. We need to push j to column number 5 because is where makes the accurate plus sign instead of 3, because we ignored these spaces that we skipped. And remember, these spaces represent also columns. That's why here we need to add these 2 spaces, this one and this one, to those 3 columns. Then we reach to column number 5. So let us change here. J must be reach to 5, right? Let us save it and make a compilation again to check whether there is some errors. But of course no error. Let us run it to check a currently output. Yeah, you see, this is what we have said, right? Now our addition sign is good representation, right? So this is what we want to print, right? Yeah, so thank you for watching this video. Please, if this video is helpful for you, don't miss subscribe, like this video, and share it to your colleagues so that they can access to our amazing lessons whenever they want them. So see you in next video.